So today guys, we are doing some electrical control for our deep well water pump. So this is just a small control, a direct online. Alright, so we are now arranging the wirings so that it will looks good, and we will test this. Okay, so this is our buttons, indicators. We have selector, stop, start, emergency stop, fault indicator, stop indicator, and running. So it's a simple hard wiring. Alright, so you can see we have a main contactor, the control, single pole circuit breaker for our control, and 3-phase circuit breaker for our power circuit. Alright, so we're now finished clearing up the messy wiring inside, and this is the final little arrangement. Alright, so it's now ready to test. Okay, so let us on the control. So as you can see, it is in a stop mode. Selector, start. Okay, running. Contactor energize. Stop. Okay, in stop mode, and start again. Start. Let's try the trip. Okay, so trip, manual trip. So it is now in orange, yellow. In fault mode, stop, fault. So reset. Reset, no more fault. So it's in stop mode. Let us try the emergency stop. Emergency stop. Alright, so okay.